everyone. I am Pritham. I promised you that on 75 subscribers I am going to show you that how to see the bacteria in your hands, in your glass, in your water. So first I have a glass of water for this experiment, but before doing this experiment I wanted to suggest you that to give more preference on your health because of this pandemic. Wash your hands regularly and apply the sanitizer. So I have a glass of water, but before this I would like all of you to subscribe to my channel. So then let's get started. For this experiment, we'll need a glass of water and our mobile. As you know, we need mobile and a webcam. Not webcam, we need a flash. Just for flash I took it. No need to buy a webcam. First we have to on our flash, but before this we have to take a drop of water in the. Now I touched this glass. This water, all the bacteria in my hand has transferred to the water. Okay, now we have to take this a drop of water, see a drop of water, and keep it on the mobile camera. Yes, carefully I have to keep. And next, now we have to on our camera and we have to open camera. Now you can see that because of this it's fully blurred. Okay, now when we go towards the light, yeah, you can see all the bacteria here. In a single drop of water you can see millions of bacteria are inside. See, millions of bacteria. Even they are walking. Oh yes, swimming. What to say? You can see all the bacteria. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and wash your hands regularly and bye bye. But when I am going to complete the 100 subscribers, I am going to make the video of 5 most wonderful experiments. So bye bye. Thank you for watching.